If you're not sold on the new design of Windows 11, there are quick and easy ways to make your computer look more like Windows 10. So whether you want to make minor tweaks to your settings or install free apps that restore Windows 10 Start menu and taskbar, we will teach you the best ways to bring the look and feel of Windows 10 back to Windows 11. Now for the first method, move the Start menu and search location by right-clicking the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, then scroll down and look for Taskbar Behaviors. Then you have to select left from the Taskbar Alignment menu. Now another trick is to hide widgets, chat, or unneeded icons. You can do it by opening Taskbar Settings again, toggle off the widgets and chat icons, and customize the search bar. You should also get the Windows 10 context menu by opening regedit, go to this navigation, create a new key on the folder, name the new key with this, then create a new key again in the new keys location, and name it just like this. Then double-click on it and make sure that the value data is blank, then click OK. Once done, you have to restart your computer. Lastly, get the Windows 10 taskbar and Start menu. And in order for you to do it, download Explorer Patch from this website, install it, and then open the Explorer Patcher. Now once downloaded, your taskbar and Start menu will automatically look like Windows 10 again. Now those are the simple ways on how to make Windows 11 look like Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.